Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the IST Ceramic Line Cutter. So this is one of the kind of newest generations of line cutters. They're kind of experimenting with different materials. So they're stepping away from the titaniums and the sort of stainless steels, and now we're experimenting with ceramic, which if you've ever broken a plate, you know how sharp that sort of ceramic edge is. And of course, it can't rust because there's no metal. It's also very lightweight as well. So as you can see, it comes in this kind of sort of nylon Cordura sheath, which has a few different mounting options. You can either mount it kind of vertically as such, or you can mount it underneath there horizontally. So no matter where you want to put it, if you want to put it on a watch strap or on a loop or wherever you want to put it, you can mount it. We have a Velcro Closure, which is pretty standard for line cutters, and that's on both sides, so it doesn't matter which way you put it back in. The line cutter itself, brightly colored, so orange on one side, yellow on the other, so it's really obvious, so you can see what you're doing with it. And as you can see, the cutting edge is kind of trapped away in here, so it's pretty safe, especially from like hands and most of your kit. So really, if something's getting in there, it's going to get cut. But anything smaller than about 1 centimeter is the only stuff that's going to be actually getting in there. So the ceramic blades are pretty sharp. They definitely cut through stuff, and yeah, because they're made of ceramic, they're very lightweight. They can't corrode, and they do cut through whatever does get inside of that. So yeah, it feels very light. It does feel a little bit plasticky, but hey, it's a line cutter. It's going to do its job. It's got a decent size kind of loop through there, so you can sort of hold on to it. You can use that strap as a bit of a handle, and if you're cutting through sort of thinner lines, sort of 6mm line, going all the way down to sort of fishing line, very quick and easy, just cut through stuff and be on your way. Stowing it away, just as easy. Doesn't matter which way in it goes, it just sort of stows away in an instant. And yeah, it's always there when you're ready. And you don't have to worry about kind of washing it and drying it like you do with a sort of stainless steel blade. That ceramic just kind of, it lasts forever. And yeah, it's very sharp. It does its job. I like it. I always like to have at least one line cutter on me at all times when I'm diving, just in case. And yeah, this does the job. It's a nice little, neat little package. It kind of sits exactly where you want it to, and yeah, it's nice and sharp. This is the IST Ceramic Line Cutter. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.